Hello guys. This question, why are there disorders in the stock market? You know, the stock market is like chaos. It's illogical. You will never know which stock will go that far, which you don't know which company will go bankrupt. You will never know anything about the market because it is something in the future. That's why people, they don't accept the change very easily, although the market is always changing, either to the good, either to the bad. So from my point of view, you should always expect anything from the market. Okay? Now, one time I bought a stock before the earning dates. It was $78. Just an example, okay? Next day, it goes to $135. It doubled. You know, I doubled my money in one night, just after the market closed. Next day, I got $135 for a thing that I bought $78. Now, this is a disorder. This is something that you will never think about. Have I thought that I will get $135 from my $78? No. If I know, I will put all my money into that trade. I sell my house and I put all that money. I take all my savings, all what I have. I sell my car, okay? And I took all this money, put them in that trade, and I double money in one night. This is what I do if I know the future. So I don't know the future. So disorders come, and sometimes you are in a position and then next day there is bad news and you lose money. The good thing is when you have stop loss, at least you limit the loss. If you are having like a gap down, okay, you have other techniques to use in your account not to have a big hit. And this I explain in training level 8, how to minimize risk and how to maximize profits. There are things that you should do always to protect yourself from these disorders. Although you can't prevent them, either good or bad thing, you can't prevent them. Even if it is good, you can't prevent it. So next morning, I double my money. So I can't prevent it. I say, no, I don't want. I want only from $78 to go to 80 or 85 or 90. This is what I want. No, I get 135. Okay? So sometimes you lose money like this. So you should accept what the market brings and don't be surprised. This is what I don't like about traders who are scared to trade. Now, if you are scared to trade, don't trade at all because you just have psychological problems for yourself. If you have not a strong heart to do trades and to have risk in your trades, don't do it. Okay? If it is just your money that you save and you need it for your bills or emergency fund or something, don't do it. Don't trade with that money. Trade with the money that you can afford. Okay? So always accept what happens in the market because you will never change it. This is the stock market from the 15th century when Amsterdam has the two stocks in the stock market. This is the beginning of stock market in Amsterdam in Europe. Okay? Until now it's the same thing. There are always news, there are always good news, there are always bulls in the market. There are sometimes bears in the market. Sometimes the stocks go so wide, sometimes stocks go so wide down. So it depends. So these disorders, you should accept them and you should live with them. Okay? You should live with this risk always in your trade. If you don't want risk, don't trade. Put your money into your broker account and don't trade. Just watch. But sometimes when you see a good thing, a gap up, for example, you see it's so good, and you want to buy it before, but you get scared, and then you say, "Oh, I do a mistake. I should have bought this stock because I thought to bought it. I thought to buy it, but I didn't." So, okay. And if you see a gap down, and you see that if some people have lost a lot of money, you say, "Oh, I'm lucky. I'm not there, so it's good." Okay, so if you continue like this, you will be like an analyst. You just watch from there, see stocks going up, see stocks going down. What you think is not important because you are not in the stock. Okay? So you should always trade, don't be scared, and all the disorders in the stock market, it's always changing and changing and changing forever. Okay? So thank you very much. See you next time.